Very good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Isma as usual from FX Kampala. Just as always and usual, in the video today, we're still looking at Forex trading, but just to be specific, this time round on a special notice, we are in the kitchen. We have been cooking candlesticks, but again this time round, we are cooking candlesticks, but again at the same time, we're going to be cooking our breakfast. And with us today, we're going to be cooking African tea, but again at the same time, learning. Mind you, there are a couple of things, there are a couple of different ideas, aspects, changes that may arise this time around, and we're literally going to be changing core. You know, you see that aspect of being in the office, only in the office, things tend to bore. So this time around, we're going to be preparing African tea. For those that do not know, I enjoy cooking. Cooking is my hobby. And at the same time, we're going to be learning in the Forex trading market. If you haven't subscribed onto this particular channel, please do, such that you enjoy the content that we happen to release. You can also visit our social media platforms of ours, that is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Just type in FX Kampala, you'll find such amazing, informative information. You can click onto the bell if you haven't subscribed, once again, to our Uganda channel, such that you don't miss out such content in Uganda in our local language. So this time around, we're going to be looking at the idea, the reason as to why traders that trade at home do not succeed. Okay? I love home and I love trading at home. But again, I also have an office. The reason as to why I have an office, one, is to teach people how to trade. That is number one. Those that want to trade, you come at office, we teach you how to trade. Then the other thing is to also have a community, not just, hey, I'd forgotten to, put on the heat. Then the other thing is for community. You know, once you trade alone, it somehow bores in one way or the other. So specifically today, I want to look at some of the reasons as to why traders that trade at home fail. And these are some of the things that we're going to be discussing. Like I said, kasavu kanyama, the way we say in Uganda, kasavu kanyama. So we're going to be looking at, cooking, at the same time learning how to trade, or cooking candlesticks, which I've actually called cooking candlesticks in one way or the other. So as you're preparing the milk, first thing first, you have to switch on this thing, or whatever you're using, whether you're using gas, whether you're using cooker, whether you're using whatever. You have to put on the sauce that is going to provide you with, something that is going to provide you with heat. And two, you put water. When you put water, you pour our milk. It is simple, and the reason as to why I have not prepared pizza, how to prepare pizza, how to prepare cakes, it's because you Forex traders are men. Most of you are men. And for those that are women, probably this video is not for you. So once you're preparing this, then you can put your spices, just as I'm going to do, such that by the time this milk is ready, the spices have penetrated, have diffused into the milk that we are preparing. And by the time you take it, it's actually good, it tastes nice, it's sweet, I will not say delicious. Now from there, one of the reasons as to why most Forex traders fail in one way or the other, trading at home, it's probably they tend to lack discipline. Remember, you're in your bedroom, you're in your house alone. No one is going to stress, to strain, to suppress the discipline onto you for you to not to do certain things, which is ideally an opportunity, which is ideally something that we see when we are in our own, when we are with the trading communities. So me, when I go to the office now, I feel that now I'm professional, and I think now this time around, it is, you see, you've started hearing the sound, it's heating up. Now, when in the office, then I believe now I can open my laptop freely and look, I be professional. I even put on tie, like to show that this is really business. But for someone at home, they may not take this as serious as possible. So discipline or lack of discipline is the number one reason as to why these traders fail to succeed when they trade home. So I will urge you that besides at home, get at least a special place. Get at least, even in the home, you can actually have a special office where you lock yourself. Even me at home, I have my own office. I have my office where I lock myself. If I've not gone to the office where, then I'm trading in my home office where I concentrate, the environment and everything is trading. So that is indiscipline. Indiscipline is number 2, which we call poor discipline. Now, other thing is, remember, most traders that usually trade at home are new to the business. And being the fact that they are new to the business, this means that they will lack skill. And lacking skill, you see, kills. And it kills you slowly and slowly because you lose the confidence at the end of the day. Because you find yourself, losing and blowing accounts over and over. Why? Because you don't have the skill, you don't have the required information, you don't have the necessities for you to prepare, or rather for you to trade. Sorry, it was a slip of tongue because preparation in the kitchen is a key word. So that's why it has come into our narrative here. So with that, our milk is getting ready, and we shall take the milk, inshallah, together. I'll share with you. 2. I was discussing when they lose, they end up dying and losing the molarity. The due processors, they blow because of lack of education, lack of skill, necessary skills, update, education, learning over and over. They tend to lose at the end of the day and failing to succeed in trading. So it is good to trade at home, but at least equip yourself. So it is ready. I think we shall share it together. Share it together. I think, let me put it here. Yeah. So it is ready. So when you lack education, I would not advise you to trade at home. Okay? Even though it's good, it is fantastic, it's nice, but always make sure that when you're trading, you trade with the necessary skills. And it is okay once you have the skills, you have the discipline. You will succeed still in the forex market. Over leveraging due to appetite, risk appetite. Leveraging, remember, leveraging comes hand in hand with risking. When you over leverage, trust me, you're losing what you do not have. So you're literally exposing yourself to the market with a lot of money that you're not willing to risk, and therefore you find yourself losing money. And what happens when you lose money? The morale and failure comes at the end of the day. So over leveraging in homes when we are trading forex is the number 1 key when we are trading forex. So don't over leverage. If you would love to trade from home, make sure that you use risk management, that risk what is appropriate and what you can afford on your trading capital. Lastly, the number 1 biggest thing as to why most traders that trade in homes, it's actually chasing trades. Number 1 reasons as to why we don't succeed in homes. Now, once you do all these things, trust me, by the end of the day, you'll succeed. Or once you put all the things that we have just discussed here and there into consideration, you will, at the end of the day, make money and succeed in the forex trading market. I believe it has been a fantastic video, and we have happened to learn how to do certain things here in our cooking, and expect more and more videos, not just in the office, but also learning certain things. We shall play some music, we shall play some football in our learning, but then at the same time we are learning. We shall do some aircrafting when we are still in our videos, when we are learning still in the forex market, and learning more and more and more ventures through the whole process to succeed at the end of and be successful in this journey of forex trading. Our milk is ready. I'll create another video where we're enjoying our drink, our breakfast, okay, together, that we have cooked together. Have a lovely day. Enjoy. Bye.